Number 31. Which description of stem cells is correct? So stem cells they're often called undifferentiated cells. Okay. Undifferentiated means that it has no specific role. It can actually become almost any cells within the body. So it's unspecialized cell. So specialized means it has certain function. Since the stem cell doesn't actually have any role, it's called unspecialized cell. Okay. So they are unspecialized cells that divide by mitosis. Okay. So the daughter cells are produced by mitosis, which means that the stem cell gets divided into two, or each of them gets divided into two daughter cells, and they may become specialized cells for specific functions. So C is the right answer for this. Meiosis is that's the cell division to make sperm cells or egg cells, like the sex cells. Okay, but the stem cells, they actually are present during embryonic stage, and they have to go through mitosis in order to promote the growth, and not only the growth but also the development, which means many cells are needed. Many types of cells are needed. So in order to create many types of cells, we need many cells first. So it goes through mitosis and increases its number of cells, and then they can later become sperms or red blood cells, whatever. So the answer is C for this one.